What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I flipped $300 to 1,139.24 with two trades. Okay, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did it step by step. Okay, so guys, my first trade this morning was XAUUSD sell. Okay, so it was a XAUUSD sell, so I took the trade and I grew the account from 300 to 450 USD. Okay, so I want to trade. One gave me 87.70 and the other entry gave me 59.6. Okay, so this is the XAUUSD sell. Okay, so I sold XAUUSD from this resistance here. Okay, and I closed my trades here at this small resistance here. Okay, so I close the trades here. So guys, that one also I gave the signal here. Okay, so I gave the signal. I told them to sell our USD 1991.5, TP 1989.5, and 1986. Okay, 1986 is at that level here. Okay, 1986, and after hitting 1986 it dropped a little bit and then it continued going up. Okay, so and then all our take profit got hit and we made 70 pips from this trade. Okay, and then my second trade is Nasdaq. Okay, so guys, this is Nasdaq. Let's go to Nasdaq. Okay, so this is Nasdaq. So I took this Nasdaq trade on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so guys, this is what made me took this trade. So guys, on Nasdaq on 4 hours time frame, we can see how the market have been moving. Okay, so the market have been moving. It is having a very strong up momentum right here. Okay, so guys, on the awesome oscillator, we can see it how it's been going up, but Nasdaq is losing momentum. It's losing serious momentum here. We can see on the awesome oscillator, it is losing momentum. Okay, but on the market, it is having a strong momentum. Okay, so we see it having strong momentum. So guys, I waited for it to create another divergence again and then I entered my trade. Okay, so guys, we see this another divergence that occurred here again. Okay, so after this second divergence, I know this one is going to be very strong and it will be hard for the market to break this one. Okay, so after creating this second divergence here, so I have to enter my trade and then boom, it started dropping. So this is my analysis. So the reason why I draw this horizontal line here is in case this resistance will turn to support, but this is the main place I think is gonna hit first. Okay, so if it's gonna hit here first and then maybe a consolidation and drop or a consolidation and to go up, I still have a trade running on my second account here. Okay, so my $300 account here is running $630. Okay, so this is on my second account, so I will hold it here till it gets to this level. Okay, so this is my analysis. So if it drops to this level, it's either it consolidates and then continues dropping and then it consolidates or start dropping. Okay, so but I'm gonna be watching out how market is gonna react to this level here. Okay, so I'm gonna be watching how market is gonna react to the level. Okay, so guys, that is how I did it. If you want to learn how to trade divergence, awesome oscillator divergence, then check out my channel. Okay, I dropped a video on how to trade awesome oscillator divergence. Okay, so it's an account flipping strategy because it's zero drawdown based strategy. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video and you want to become a successful forex trader, make sure to smash like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.